Working with multiple languages is very easy. Now we have set the phrase library to German. With a right click on the tray icon, you can select another language version, for example, English. Now all descriptions are shown in English. Now I trigger a phrase menu with a hotkey, and you see these 3 language selection buttons. With a hotkey, you can switch to another language. By default, it's Control arrow right, and then you can navigate with the arrow right and left button to select the desired output language. The preview shows you the actual output. Now let's insert the phrase in French. Trigger the pop-up again, and we output the phrase in German. You can also use the language buttons with a right click to switch the library to the corresponding language, for example, to French. Now all descriptions are in French. If you don't want to see the language buttons, you can right-click them and uncheck Show Language Selection buttons. Now they only show if you press the language button hotkey, which again by default is Control arrow right.